So what you can also do is manage your phone and other device settings for syncing inside of Microsoft Edge. So over here you can see that I'm signed in onto my account right here in Microsoft Edge. And in order to set my phone and other device settings, I can click on the three dot button and then go to settings right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that phone and other devices is an option. And over here, you can see that sign in to set up sync on your computer is an option right here. So it says sign in and turn on sync to see your favorites, password, and more on any sign in devices. So you can go around and customize sync settings, and then it goes to your sync settings right here. And if I were to go around and turn this off, everything will be synced out, or you can go around and turn it on. You can also resync right here, just like this, to resync the data to the device over here. So now what happens is that it merges out everything right here. And from over here, what you can do is you can customize the sync settings, and you can download the app to the phone as well by scanning this QR, or you can search for a Microsoft Edge on your Play Store or App Store, and you can simply sign on to Microsoft Edge on your phone. This is also possible by signing in on to Microsoft Edge in another window as well. So let's say, for example, I have another computer. So I have a simulated, emulated Windows sandbox right here where I have access to Microsoft Edge. So I'm just going to go around and open this out right here, and you can see that a fresh copy of Microsoft Edge actually starts up over here. Let me just go around and maximize this out right here, just like this. And over here, what you can see that this is a fresh copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here and sign into sync data. So now you can simply go around and type in your email right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in my email. And what happens is that it prompts me to actually sign in. So I have actually turned on the sync data on my account in the other browser, or in case another computer. I can simply go around over here and sign in right here, just like this, using my username and password. And it says use this account everywhere on your device. So let's just go around, press OK. And it says due to an unexpected error, you cannot sign in. So you can fix this by going on to account. We cannot sign this account into your other apps. Don't worry, we'll sign you up into this app by going into accounts and so forth. So let's just go around over here and continue around over here, and you can see that it is signed in around over here. So now if I were to go around onto favorites and so forth, you can see that everything is actually imported around over here. So if I were to go to Wikipedia right here, so Wikipedia Commons and everything right here, along with my history and everything has been synced to this recently signed in account, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around over here and then simply sync out your account right here. And same goes with your mobile device as well. So if you were to sign in onto your mobile device and use your username and password, as long as the syncing is turned on, all of the content right here will be sent to the other browsers, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the phone and other device settings to sync up data between multiple devices inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.